Heavy hitters. Listen, man, y'all already know who it is. Big Jordan. And I'm back with another video. And you know what? I'm not going to keep on rapping, so I'm just going to open this box. All right. I think y'all going to be kind of surprised at what I got in this box right here. But without further ado, let's open the box, man. What we got? What we got? You guys see that? Tell me these ain't hard, yo. Tell me these ain't hard, man. Polo. The Polo boots. I always wanted another pair of Polo boots. My first and last Polo boots was like I first got my first pair of Polo boots back in like 2013. Like, you know what I'm saying? And I got them because, you know, I went to college down in Richmond, Virginia Union University. All right. HBCU. And you know, a lot of guys that I went to school with was from like the DMV area, you know, and Philly, Jersey. I mean, you know, but it's primarily the DMV area. And they were wearing Polo boots and I liked them. You know, up here, Polo boots ain't all that in style, I guess. You know, you'll see a few people with it, but not a lot. But I like them. You know, I'm a big boot guy, so I caught me a pair. I don't know which ones I caught, but I caught me a pair, and I love them, man. And I wore them when I used to do bouncing at clubs in, you know, Southside Richmond. You know, yo, if I got any viewers from Richmond, bro, comment below, man. Like, drop a 100 or something. Or if you guys know about Richmond or know where Southside is, East End, West End, North Side, let me know. But yeah, man, I like them so much, and I seen other people wearing them. I just had to get them for myself. But as you guys can see, we got the leather right here. All right, we got the another, you know, different material right on the toe. I like this whole design right here, right? I like this whole design in the front. I like this. I don't know, I kind of prefer laces, but this is different and I don't mind it. It got the, I was undoing this while I was flapping my gums, but it got this belt right here, you know, the tighten it up and all that. Yep, so these is dope, man. Take this out, take that out. Yeah, it's been a minute, man. It's been a minute, but I copped these online from Jimmy Jazz. You know, all the boots that I got, you know, they're really not hard to find, but these is tough, man. Let me know if y'all rock with these, yo. These is tough. These is tough. This is my first Polo boot review. And, you know, I just hope y'all like it, man. I just hope y'all like it, because y'all know I'm all about the boot game. And, dang, I really wish I still had my other pair of Polo boots. But that was years ago. I think I remember I donated those because them shits was shot. They were washed up, for real. But green, all on the inside. I will tell you that the inside of the boot don't feel all that comfortable. You know, I'm pushing down on the sole, but I don't know, neither do the Tims. And honestly, Tims are not comfortable boots. Maybe if you get the Kiths or the Shearling ones, but they're not comfortable. But, you know, Polo all throughout. Let me just try this on, man. All right, y'all, so as you guys can see, I got the boots back on the feet. I got my jeans on. True Religion jeans, that is. And in my opinion, I think True Religion makes some of the best jeans. Like, I swear, like, they fit good. If you guys want to know, I wear the Rickies. But True Religion is, like, one of my favorite clothing lines. Like, I got mad True Religion stuff. Denim outfits, jeans. Not a lot of shirts, but because the shirts aren't the same as how they made them years ago. But anyways, comment below if you guys think this looks all right. But anyways, I found out that if you guys, remember when I said that if you lace these up, if you zip them up, it gets tight and, you know, it's very secure up here. Obviously, if you zip these up. What you can do is, if you want to, you know, really, if you want to have more comfort, because you guys know, like I said, I like my boots, you know, like my feet snug. What you can do to relieve pressure is not zip these up, right? Obviously, right? You guys are probably like, yeah, Jordan, like, no duh, but just do it like this and just, you know, hook this on, you know, Velcro that lightly, you know, and like loosely. And, you know, you can rock like that. So that's how I'm going to try to rock them. Let me do this one right here. These is hard, yo. Yo, drop a 100 below. Like, drop a trophy below if you think these boots go hard, man. Look at that. They fit better. Look at that. Come on, man. These joints is tough. I rocks with it. What you guys think? Cuff them or uncuff them? You guys let me know. Let me know if y'all like the boots as well. Let me know in the comment section, all right? Like I said, you guys know how I get down. You know what I'm saying? I welcome all freaking criticism, whatever. So yeah, y'all let me know, but what you guys think, man? You guys rock with it? What's up? Y'all rock with it? Let you guys see it, man. I think these is alright, yo. I think these are a go. These are a go. These are heavy hitters certified, man. What y'all talking about, yo? But nah, I like them though. I think I made out good with these. So that's how I'm rocking with these. You know, I got some pants on. I don't know if guys want to rock them like this. You know, I haven't seen too many people rock polo boots in different ways other than the way that I was just wearing them. Not like these, but I don't know. What y'all think? What y'all think? But I'm gonna rock them like this, though. Let me stop playing. Yeah, that's how I'm rocking. I fucks with it, yo. I fucks with it, like, for real. All right, y'all. So as you guys seen, I done unboxed them, gave my first reaction. I fucking love these boots, man. I put some pants on with these. Damn, I think I already scuffed them up. Look at that, see? Unless they come like that. Oh, let me stop. But anyways, man, they'll be all right. Unboxed them. You guys see my initial reaction. And you guys seen that, you know, I put them on with some boots. I mean, I put them on with some pants. You guys seen how they look. You seen, like, you know, you could either zip all these up, zip them up, or leave them down for better comfort. But as you guys know, I like my boots snug on my feet. But when you zip these up, when you zip them up, it does create pressure along the foot, like right here, like the top of the foot and all that, obviously, and around the ankle. It's nothing crazy, but for me, I just leave these zipped down and I just do the Velcro. I just do the belt right here to tighten them up, and it just feels way better. And plus, I don't know if like it's type stylish, if you see these, you know, like underneath the pant, like sticking out from the pant, I don't know, but yo, I rocks with these, man. And if you don't like your boot snug, obviously go half size up on these. That's what I will say. Just go half size up. So, it's no secret where I get my boots. I got these off of Jimmy Jazz. All right. Here's you could freeze that, do whatever you like. Freeze it, print it out, send it to your email, print it out, put it on your wall, whatever you want, all right? So, I'll drop a link below in the description to these boots so you can get them yourself, all right? They are not expensive. These are way cheaper than my 40 Belows, I'll tell you that. And as you guys know, my favorite boots are the 40 Belows. That's number one, as you guys know. Second, I gotta say, I like my Uggs, man. My Ugg boots. I already did like 2 reviews on them. Those are my second favorite ones. Those specific Uggs, the Ugg boots, B-U-T-T-E or Bootay, whatever. And third, man, the Timberland, the Polo boots, man. This is tough right here too. Kind of got that 40 below vibe going on right here, but these are my third favorite pair of boots, man. And these are hard, man. Yo, comment below if you like these boots right here, man. I love them. I love them. These are the Polo Pit Stop boots. All right, the Polo Pit Stop boots. But listen, I'm done rapping. I already did all that stuff that y'all usually see in my videos. I did it all already, all right? So if you guys rock with me, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you don't rock with me, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Big Jordan. I'm out with these dope-ass Polo boots. And I'll see you on the next video. And that's big with 2 G's.